Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 944 that we're working on, automatic gearbox. So today we are replacing the actual this part here, the coupler, damper, they call it damper plate for the actual automatic gearbox. So the other one's been torn off like that. This is the second hand one, customer gave to us. This one here. But it's a lot of work today, so we have to remove the gearbox. Gearbox got to be removed out. This one here. Gearbox first, so exhaust, starter motor, reference sensor for on the gearbox, on top of the gearbox here. See those two there? You got to remove it, otherwise you'll break it off. It goes on top, somewhere there. It's hard to see anyway. But the actual gearbox got to be removed as well. Here's the actual gearbox. Be careful the torque converter doesn't fall off. So you drop it off from the front, you drop it like that down, take the whole plate off here. You gotta move that, take it off here because that's part of it. And don't forget to take when you put it on, the ring gear. You gotta put the ring gear on the new part. So this is the new part from this is the ring gear for the starter motor, and that's the dampening plate here. So you got to take the ring gear's got to come off for the starter motor and go on the new one, otherwise you can't start the car up. So very important, that one. We'll just drop it down like this. The actual plate is held on by this one here. So we're gonna put it in here, don't lose it. And then when you remove it, you gotta hit the shaft back, and then you take the circle clip off, and then you move the actual dampening plate this way out, and you put the new one on. All right, so really involved job, this one here, just to do that. So we're going to have a look at the actual what else we can fix when everything's out like this. I think maybe we'll just put it back on, depending on the customer. How this is nearly Christmas, so we gotta chop it in and out. Yeah, so you gotta drop the whole dog tube like this, down like that, down here, pretty much here, and then exhaust off, like I said before. And now we're ready to install the damper plates. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.